How to fix TikTok quality issues with good quality videos. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, even though the video qualities are good, you might be in a position where the quality is automatically uploading in bad ones. So to fix that, launch your TikTok and tap onto your profile. Once done, tap on three-bar icon, go for settings and privacy. Scroll below under Cache and Cellular, tap on Data Saver. Make sure that you untoggle this button. This will reduce your data consumption when toggled on. So toggle it off. Refresh your page, then try again from your camera. For that, tap on the plus bar icon. You can directly record it, or you can also add a photo from your gallery section. This way, you can upload high-quality videos or photos directly from your gallery or your camera section. If it's still not working for you, tap onto Settings, scroll all the way below, go for Apps. Here again, search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok, tap on Storage, clear the cache, and also clear the data. Tap on Clear Data, read all these, tap Delete. Also be noted, deleting your TikTok data will also permanently delete your draft history and so make sure that you be very careful before deleting your data. Lastly, tap on Force Stop. Okay, then restart your device, launch your TikTok again, and this shall work. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.